Darkness surrounds this tiny flame that's deep within my heart. It seems no matter how hard I run this race, the world will put it out. I fight and struggle, sometimes I fall. I know there must be more to life. Beyond the shadows I hear your call to help me see the light. So I need you to fan the fire, a pillar in the night. Fan the fire, consuming all in sight. Spirit of love, give me true desire. Spirit of God, fan the fire. I have felt the love of God. I've given him my life, but all too often I try to do it on my own, on my own. I'm not the center of the universe. I don't want to sit down on that road. There's all these elements of earth. I wanna be yours and yours alone. Fan the fire, a pillar in the night. Fan the fire, consuming all in sight. Spirit of love, give me true desire. Spirit of God, fan the fire. His eyes are like a fiery flame. His tongue is like a burning coal. His word is refining us, making us salt for the earth. His love sets this world on fire. Oh, 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 oh. Fan the fire, a pillar in the night. Fan the fire, consuming all in sight. Spirit of love, give me true desire. Spirit of God, fan the fire. Jesus, fan the fire. Jesus, fan the fire. Jesus, fan the fire. Jesus, fan the fire. Fan the fire, a pillar in the night. Fan the fire, consuming